नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the Sri Mahans, Mahans, Sarvangyapita Yajamans, Kotaris, Tanedars, devotees, disciples, visitors, viewers, YouTube subscribers, and viewers, visitors, devotees sitting with us all over the world at this time through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Nakshatra TV Live, Janata TV Live, and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world on this auspicious Guru Purnima. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. All the Adinams all over the world, Pitas, Gurukuls, temples, ashrams, I welcome all of you on this auspicious Guru Purnima day with my love and blessings.
All the Adinams, Paduka Mandirs, temples, satsang centers worldwide, with their lot of love and gratitude for Swamiji, they have a lot of offerings on this auspicious day of Guru Purnima. We'll first start with the offering from the Annalaya of the Bengaluru Adinam. Nityananda Annalaya of Bengaluru Adinam is offering 1008 Nevedyams on this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima. All the 1008 Nevedyams that are being offered are prepared as per the Mahadeva's Bhaga Shastra and is being offered out of our devotion, love and gratitude for Swamiji. Next, we have the Singapore Adinam offering 165 Nevedyams. We have the Dubai Paduka Mandir offering 156 Nevedyams. We have St. Louis Adinam offering 141 Nevedyams. Oklahoma Adinam offering 138 Nevedyams. San Jose Adinam offering 128 Naivedyams.
Nityanandame, bolo Hare Krishna Nama, bolo Hare Nitya Nama, bolo Nityananda Nama, Nityanandame.
Los Angeles Adinam offering 111 Naivedyams.
Nityanandame, Nityanandame, bolo Hare Krishna Nama, bolo Hare Nitya Nama,
Ohio Adinam offering 108 Naivedyams along with Gurumudi. Puduvai Adinam offering 108 Naivedyams, and they are starting the public Annadan from today.
Nityanandame, Chittachora Nandalala, Nandakandari Vasa Charana Kamalavato, Nityanandame.
Seattle Adinam offering 108 Naivedyams. Phoenix Adinam offering 108 Naivedyams. Oman Adinam offering 54 Naivedyams. Sirgari Adinam offering 48 Naivedyams. Rajapalayam Adinam offering 21 Naivedyams. Charlotte Adinam offering 21 Naivedyams. Guadalupe Adinam offering 21 Naivedyams. London Paduka Mandir offering 64 Naivedyams. Next we have Melbourne Adinam offering 108 Naivedyams. Houston Adinam offering 112 Naivedyams. With this overall today, we have 2,728 Naivedyam offerings from the Global Nityananda Sangha. Today also, we have a very special inauguration of the Klang Adinam in Malaysia. Today, we are launching the Klang Adinam, which will be a powerful space to take Swamiji's teachings to Malaysians. We plan to have a Gurukul Mahadeva's kitchen in this space to enrich Malaysians in all their dimensions. This 10,000 square feet property has been offered by our devotees Larry and Ann, Sarvajñapita Ejamans, who are passionate about bringing Swamiji's teachings and energy to Malaysia. This is a grand launch today. The Malaysian Sangha is requesting Swamiji's blessings for a successful running of Klang Adinam in Malaysia.
With this announcement, I formally inaugurate and bless Nityananda Peetham Klang Adinam. Energize and do prana pratishtha to the Moola Devata of Nityananda Peetham Klang Adinam, Sadashiva, Nityanandeshwara and Adishakti, Nityanandeshwari, and my deity as Guru Nityananda, and bless the devotees who donated the property, Larry and Anne, and all the devotees, Kotaris, Mahants who made the Klang Adinam possible. My blessings to all of you. Let the Klang Adinam successfully take Sadashiva's message to the whole Malaysia and enrich the whole Malaysia with authenticity. Larry Ann, blessings to all of you and all the devotees who are there. Blessings to all of you, all the Swami's devotees, Bhavani, Shanti, Vasantyachi, Chelaya, everyone. Blessings to all of you for making this Klang Adinam happen. My blessings. Today, the auspicious Guru Purnima day, we celebrate the whole Guru Parampara. Sanatana Dharma stands on Guru Parampara, lives on Guru Parampara, flourishes on Guru Parampara, protected by Guru Parampara. The only thing which is still keeping the Sanatana Dharma alive is disciples' loyalty to Guru. There is no strategy why we are still alive. There is no planning why we are still alive. The one and only thing which is keeping the whole tradition alive, the disciples' loyalty to the Guru. Guru Parampara, Guru Sishya Sampradaya. That is the only thing still keeping our tradition, our country, our values, whatever is our identity alive. Understand it is just because of the Guru Parampara. All the best things we are enjoying are still alive. Whether it is the values we cherish in our inner space or the life we enjoy in our outer space. The Guru Parampara, loyalty of the disciples to the Guru, keeps this old tradition alive. I have seen worst traitors, I have seen the greatest disciples. Understand, it's not that I have seen only the worst traitors. I have also seen greatest disciples who demonstrate their loyalty much more than their life, who respect, revere, live, keep their loyalty much more than their very life. I tell you, as a guru who has seen both extremes, and I have also seen the greatest disciples whose loyalty, they are ready to put their loyalty above anything. Their loyalty to the Guru is above even their life. I have seen both extremes. I tell you, it is just the Guru's Guru Sishya Sampradaya, the loyalty disciples have towards Guru, the loyalty Guru commands from the disciples, that keeps Indian tradition alive. That keeps Sanatana Hindu Dharma alive. That keeps Bharatiya Sanatana Hindu Dharma alive. On this auspicious day, I remember, honor, salute, revere, respect all my gurus and their gurus, the whole Guru Parampara from Adi Guru Sadashiva. From Adi Guru Sadashiva till my own Guru, I remember, respect, honor, revere, give my gratitude and surrender to the whole Guru Parampara. Let's take this moment to offer ourselves and revere the whole Guru Parampara from Sadashiva till our Guru. It is the loyalty, commitment to the Guru and his teachings keeps all the greatest thing alive on the planet Earth. Understand, if still the method of enlightenment, the science of living enlightenment, and the science of completion, and science of the enlightened lifestyle, if it is still available to planet Earth, if it is still alive, if we are able to still enjoy it, it is just because of the Guru Parampara. It is just because of the Guru Parampara, Guru Sishya Parampara, and thousands and thousands of our sannyasis, gurus have given their life. They even died, gave up their body many times just to protect our traditions, knowledge, values. Understand? Thousands and thousands of our sannyasis were killed during the invasions. Thousands and thousands fought to protect our values, our traditions. Today is the day we remember and honor all the great masters, gurus, sannyasis, sants, who gave their life, who lived and died for Sanatana Hindu Dharma, to protect Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Understand, as long as we keep this loyalty to Guru alive, no bad can happen to you, no bad can happen to Sanatana Dharma, no bad can happen to the great country, no bad can happen to the whole spiritual tradition. I bow down to Guru Parampara from the Adi Guru, Sadashiva, till my Guru. All the great masters happened on the planet Earth, kept the spiritual traditions alive. Appalum adisarndarkum adiyen. Even if somebody has reached the divine from far away places, I bow down to all of them also. I bow down to all of them also. Wherever, whoever has reached the divine enlightenment, kept the tradition alive on the planet Earth. I bow down to all of them. With this offering, with this gratitude, I also want to acknowledge, accept, celebrate all the love the disciples shower on me on this day. It's time for you to remember your Guru. It's time for me to remember my disciples. My message on this auspicious Guru Purnima day today, Mahadeva Rahasya. Please understand, an important sacred secret from Mahadeva. You would have heard about Rajaguhyam, means kingly secret, royal secret. You would have heard about Devarahasya, the divine secret. This is Mahadevarahasya, secret directly from Mahadeva. Today's message, the Mahadeva Rahasya, is Veda Agama Anta. It is essence of Vedas and Agamas. Vedas were the pure science, Agamas were applied science. The essence of Vedagamanta, Shivatvamasi. Shivatvamasi is today's message on this auspicious Guru Purnima day. Understand the inner space of Mahadeva. Some of the important secrets you need to know from the inner space of Mahadeva. The most sacred secret from the inner space of Mahadeva. Please listen carefully. You need to understand the inner space of Mahadeva. Only then you will understand the value of this great teaching, the great truth, the sacred secret. In your inner space, you constantly feel threatened by anybody and everybody. If somebody gets the same amount of money you have, you feel threatened. If somebody gets the same amount of name you have, you feel threatened. If somebody gets the same amount of fame you have, you feel threatened. Understand. In your inner space, you constantly feel threatened by others. If somebody gets the same power you have, you feel threatened by them. Your inner space feels threatened because you have a cognition, resources are limited. Resources are limited. So if somebody has, you can't have, which is not the reality, which is only a comparative reality, not existential reality. Listen. which is only a comparative reality, not existential reality. Sadashiva's inner space never feels threatened because he knows Shakti is endless. Resources are not limited. Shakti is not limited. The logic, if you have, I can't have, does not apply there. When he says Shivatvamasi, he means it. You are Shiva. If you listen to his truth and declare Shivoham, I am Shiva, he will not feel threatened. He will not judge you. He will not question you. He will not be asking, how dare you declare you are Shiva? Have you qualified yourself? Have you done all the tapas? Have you purified yourself? No, don't worry. The moment you declare, he is so happy, he has one more being through which he can manifest himself. Declaring, radiating, manifesting Shivoham does not need any special skill sets. It just needs your decision, Anya, will. You prepare all the skill sets, develop your personality, purify, and then have a glimpse of the ultimate is path of yogis. Just declare with all your will Shivoham and start manifesting the Shaktis, purity, experiences and expressions of Sadashiva and radiate the ultimate is the path of Shaivites. The whole society thinks there is no other path other than yogis, because the logic yogis talk and the logic of the society matches. In society, you have to develop the skill set, prepare yourself to get any post. The same logic yogis use. So the yogic logic seems to be very right, apt for the society. That is why the yogic logic is very, very popular. But understand, popularity does not mean it is truth, or that is the only truth. I am not saying yogic logic is lie. And same way I wanted, let the yogis know, it is, they cannot continue to tell people theirs is the only right logic. At least not after 1978. Raise your will. Declare with all the authenticity and integrity, Sadashivoham, and start manifesting it. Manifest the inner space of Sadashiva. Manifest the experiences of Sadashiva. Manifest the expressions of Sadashiva. Manifest the Shaktis of Sadashiva. when you start manifesting Sadashiva's Shaktis, you will naturally manifest the highest purity of Sadashiva's inner space. Understand, when you declare Shivoham, not only Sadashiva does not feel jealous, not only he does not judge you, not only he does not question you, he just rushes into your inner space and says, yes, 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 let me manifest. Understand, one of the biggest suffering humanity has created for itself is whenever something is showered, you ask, am I qualified? The only pattern which stops Sadashiva showering on you is, you think, am I qualified? Then if he is showering on me, is he expecting something from me? Is he planning to achieve something through me? Is he looking for something from me? That is when the whole thing collapses. Understand, you always only know one love, only if you are looking for something you will open up and you will share yourself. If not, you will never open up or share. Understand the most important Mahadeva Rahasya, Sadashiva's inner space. He has nothing to gain from you, but still he is passionate about you. He has nothing to gain from you, but still he is passionate about you. Because he is looking for your being through which he can manifest himself. Whatever you think meaningful in your life, your money, your power, your position, your age, your youth, your beauty, your car, your bungalow, your body, your mind, your skill sets, nothing is useful for him. He has no use from all this. It is all the cub giving the grass to lion. Never lion is going to eat and enjoy the grass. He may tell the cub, keep it aside. The other cubs like you, when they come, let them eat. At the most, he may keep the grass in corner. For the other cubs who are thinking they are sheep, when they come in, they need 1 or 2 meal till they realize they are lion. Sadashiva has no use from you. He has nothing to gain from you, but he is passionate about you, just to manifest himself through you. Nothing which you think is useful for him. For the sheep, the grass may be life. For the lion, it has no use. Understand. Sadashiva has no use from your skill sets are the things you value. But He is passionately calling you, waiting for you. He is passionate about you just to manifest through you. Listen, that is why I am saying, whenever you declare Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, not only he does not feel jealous, competition, threatened, not only he is not going to question your qualification, purity, he is not going to ask for anything. He is not going to ask for any certification. He is just going to celebrate your declaration, because he feels, now I have one more inner space through which I can manifest. I can radiate. Understand, if God is one, he has to be jealous. But God is oneness, not one. If any of you have suffered by the one God who is jealous, feels threatened by anyone and everyone, please come here. We have a God who is oneness. God is not one, He is oneness. That is why when you declare Shivoham, He celebrates you. Now He knows He has one more being through which He can celebrate His oneness. One God will always feel threatened, because there cannot be second one. The oneness God will always be celebrating, because He is going to manifest His oneness through everybody. Understand this Mahadeva Rahasya. First, his inner space does not feel threatened like you, because he knows resources are endless. Shakti is endless. Second, because he does not feel threatened, when you declare Shivoham, he is not going to ask you for your qualification, purity, all the certifications. He is only going to celebrate and start manifesting, radiating, encouraging, enriching, helping, supporting you to manifest the Shivoham completely. Third, he has nothing to gain from you other than fulfilling you by manifesting himself through your being. Mahadeva Rahasya. On this auspicious Guru Purnima day, for all of you is Vedanta, Siddhanta, Agamanta, Vedagamanta, Sara, Shivatvamasi. Shivatvamasi is the initiation from Guru. Shivoham is the declaration from yourself towards the cosmos. Shivatvamasi is initiation. Shivoham is Anubodhi. From today till the Navaratri, the Chaturmasya Vrata starts. From this year, I wanted our whole Sangha to celebrate, follow the Chaturmasya Vrata. From today till Navaratri, the Chaturmasya ends. I wanted the whole Sangha to meditate, contemplate, declare, manifest, radiate this truth, Shivatvamasi. Take this as initiation. From Sadashiva, and contemplate every day. If I am Sadashiva, then this is the way my life should manifest. Again and again and again, let your will declare you are Shiva and decide to manifest your life as you want. When you see life starts manifesting as you want, you will become more and more integrated to this truth of Shivoham. You will become more and more authentic to the truth, Shivoham. You will become more and more responsible to the truth, Shivoham. You will become more and more enriched. You will be enriched and enriching the truth, Shivoham. You will be enriched and enriching the world with this great truth, Shivoham. Understand? Take this message, live it, will it, live it, manifest it, radiate it. Come back for Vijayadashami to celebrate your victory. To celebrate our victory. Victory is the realization of Shivoham. Victory is the realization of Shivoham. Understand? Contemplate on these great truths again and again. Contemplate on this sacred secret again and again. This is the Mahadeva Rahasya, which is essence of Vedas, Agamas, Vedanta, Siddhanta, Agamanta, Vedagamanta, Sara, Shivatvamasi. Shivatvamasi. Shivatvamasi.
Now, after the profound satsang from our beloved master, we'll be moving on to the new releases, the Guru Purnima release. First, we will be announcing the Nityananda University releases. First of all, we'll be announcing or releasing the courses from Nityananda University. Nitya Dhyana Yoga, To know the source of our thoughts and reactions that guide our action is a powerful gift. Vedic sciences provide us with ways to complete with our patterns and powerlessness. Learn about it in Nitya Dhyana Yoga course. Next is the intro to Hinduism. Hinduism is an ancient lifestyle that has many rich facts. Hear and learn from the practicing Hindus the significance and meaning of their practices. Learn the significance of meaning of the lifestyle of being a Hindu. Next is the introduction to Nityananda Yoga. Yoga has become a lifeline for millions of people. Learn about yoga from the source and learn the whole secret from the experts. Nitya Kriya Level 1. Kriya in a series of precise yogic techniques performed for obtaining relief from situations. Here are some yogic kriyas gifted by Swamiji to improve your health. Next, we are moving on to the next level of Nityananda University. Nityananda University now enters iTunes U. We are happy to announce that now Nityananda University Nityananda University is now available on iTunes U. Nityananda University joins the community of iTunes U, which has hundreds of colleges, universities, schools, and cultural institutions to take the teachings of our beloved Swamiji to the Apple community around the world. Now, the Hinduism Now, the e-monthly magazine, which is successfully running. Now, Hinduism Now Global Press has a new look and feel. Also, Global Press is now available in Hindi. That is, in Hindi, completely everything is available. Also, Hinduism Now is now available in Hindi. Some more insights. Now, we move on to books release from Nityananda Press. The first book is Insights from the Avatar, Volume 4. Volume 4 of 108, a diverse compilation from the Satsangs of His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda. Now, the second release is Why Tapas? Enlightened insights into the spiritual practice of tapas by His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda. Avatara Shastra, the third book, The Science of Descent, Volume 1, by the editorial team of Nityananda University Press. Avatara Shastra, The Science of Descent, Volume 1, is a masterpiece that presents the scientific study of an avatar in human form through medical studies, biology, and quantum physics. For the first time ever, a rare living avatar, His Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda, collaborates with doctors and permits testing to be done on his very own divine form, proving the validity of superconsciousness, enlightenment, and the Vedic sciences such as materialization, levitation, living without food, third eye awakening, kundalini awakening, and instantaneous healing.
Nityanandam Anandam Nityanandame 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 Govinda Gopala Keshava Madhava Narayana Rajiva Lochana Adi Sanatana Nityanandam Anandam Anandam Nityanandame Nityanandam Anandam Nityanandame.
Now we are going on to new releases about Swamiji's vision and mission, that is the Sarvagna Pita project. The website of Sarvagna Pita project is being launched today. Next is Smash team is releasing the following YouTube, a short video playlist which has subtitles in 13 different languages such as Tamil, Hindi, Spanish, French, Slovak, Croatian, Hungarian, Dutch, and more translation team offers at Swamiji's lotus feet. We are inaugurating a medical camp of Nityananda Peetham at Bangalore Adinam.
With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.